Hey, good evening. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Normally I'm working on cars, but tonight we're going to work on this Samsung refrigerator I got here. The ice maker's not making ice. I got water coming into it. Everything seems to work on it, but it wasn't making ice, and I'm just going to show you a couple different things. Make sure it's not turned off on your front of your panel. I hope this is helpful. Subscribe and share my page. Send me some comments. All I really did was, it's actually working now, and it's been working for quite a while since I did this. I would keep pressing the reset button, which is located right here, and it says reset. But I had to reach underneath the cover to be able to do that. So I removed the cover. I kept resetting it, and it would work. It would do like one cycle and then wouldn't do more. But when I took the cover off, it actually started working all the time. I don't know why, because it doesn't have any like mechanical connections to it or anything like that. I'm assuming it has something to do with the temperature sensor that was inside it that was bad or faulty or something. But hopefully that helps you. Just press the reset button, hold it down, and you'll hear it start to cycle. When it starts cycling, you can let it go and shut the door and see if it starts making ice. Maybe that'll work for you. I didn't really fix anything here, but it is what it is. Have a great afternoon. God bless. Remember, you can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to mess it up. Thanks much.